Hello, this is Jerome Cerilla, and today I'm going to share to you my newly procured stamps and some postcards. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So here are the stamps that I like, that I looking forward to receive with this parcel. It's the stamp coming from Turkmenistan. I don't have these stamps from this country, so I'm very happy that I'm going to put it or being part of my collection. Okay, so there you go, Turkmenistan, and these are cats. The next one is stamps from Isles of Man. Though I already have that one, but this one is really cute, so might as well going to have it. And in this parcel, I can't remember that I bid for it or request for it, but then again, it's okay. This one is, I don't know, it's more of a god, I think, a deity from China. This one I remember. This is a peacock, I think. This is a wall. What you call this one? An ancient wall wherein there is a mosaic, I think. There you go. And then what else I have this here is, this is Batum. So basically, I bought this one because I have no stamp from Georgia, and I searched that Batum is a city in Georgia. Georgia is somewhere in Asia. Next, this one is how do I say it? It's more of a maxi card from Yugoslavia. Crazy, right? I think there are lots of things here which I accumulated almost for 2 months. I keep on saying mine. There you go. This one, I bought this one because I remember when I was a child, I used to read the story of Europa and Zeus that pretends to become a bull. There you go. And this is from Greece. This one is from Fujairah. So basically, I bought this one because I like Dalmatians. Not bad, I think. This one is Annie. Those is the Dalmatian. Cruella de Vil. There are only a few. Anyways, it's okay. This one is a freebie. I am not familiar kasi kung ano sila. So this is from Slovenia, Yugoslavia. Baliktad tuloy. Yan siya. Yugoslavia. This one I think is an old stamp, I think. The Netherlands. Ang dami. Kung freebie to, okay na okay, diba? Thank you. Slovenia. Netherlands. I think freebie to kasi wala siyang number eh. Kasi karamihan ng inaan ng andon may number. This one is quite old. Hindi ko alam kung anong bansa yan. Baka Yugoslavia. Kasi kasama niya yung mga Yugoslavia. Yugoslavia is a dead country. No longer exists. Part siya dati ng Hungaro-Austrian Empire. This another. Ito binili ko to kasi may price. 50 pesos. Vatican. May mga ganto-ganto. Ewan ko bakit may... alam ko na kung bakit ko to binili. Kasi sa nag-iisang stamp na ito. Yang bansa na yan is already part of Yemen or Oman. Mga ano sila dati, protectorate or colony ng ano, ng England. This one, ito binili ko talaga to. France, Czechoslovakia. Ano ba to? Yan. Ito. Excuse me, because of Botswana. Yan. And this one, Paraguay. I need the Paraguay stamps. Medyo marami-rami pa siya. Let's see what's this. Yeah. Maliit lang siya, Israel. Ang cute kasi. Ang cute. It's may mga something. Okay, ilapit natin. Magyaposta. Akala ko malaki yan, maliit pala. And then this one I like kasi meron siyang mga ano, storytelling. Maglalaylaw na ako sa pakakabili ng stamps kasi iba na yung interest ko at hindi na ako masyadong magpo-postcard kasi iba na rin yung interest ko. This one is Republic of South Africa, Boy Scout to. Familiar ako nito, parang may ganito nga ako eh. This one is Algeria, Sudan. Pinagsama-sama pala ng ano, ng dealer. Algeria. Di na siguro next time kapag bibili ako yung face to face na. Kasi nagkakaulit-ulit yung mga ano eh. Nako, nasama ko na yung mga basura sa hindi. This one is crazy kasi Year of the Dragon, Benin. Ang ano ko naman ngayon, ang kulang sa akin yung sleeves naman ng ano. Pero sa ngayon, meron pa akong bibili na isa. O pinagsama-sama nga niya. This one is a monkey. And this one is Benin din. Ano ba yun? Na doble-doble ata yung binili ko o magkasama sila. There are a group of monkeys. Meron pang isa. Wala na. Meron pa akong tatlo dito kasi nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung mga ito. Pero Namibia. Yeah. Yun ako to Namibia. Kasi wala pa akong stamps na Namibia nakalagay. South West Africa. That's also Namibia. Ang dami, di ba? Uganda. Nagano ako ng dalawang Uganda kasi kulang ako ng dalawang Uganda. Pinagsama-sama niya. Nahihirapan akong tanggalin. Let's see. Malaki siya. South Arabia, Mara State. There you go. Basketball, Mara State. And lastly, ayusin ko naman to pagkatapos ko sila kuluhin. Buryatia. This one is a city in Siberia. it's a dog. Yeah. Yung gusto ko yung something na ano kakaiba. Pero hopefully sana mga stamps talaga sila. Ito si Czechoslovakia. Wala lang kasi gusto ko lang mapuno yung mga stamps ko eh. Pero oh, I think that's everything. Wala na natira. Akin na sila lahat. And then so basically, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.